welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings. Today I'm going to be reviewing this elegant purple professional dress that has a little bit of a peplum, just a boat neckline, fake buttons on the side, and which goes into a peplum. So it's just a little bit of a peplum in the front, and then going all the way down to a nice long, probably knee-length pencil skirt. And once again, I love stuff that is just like one solid piece. You don't have to decide what are you wearing on the top and on the bottom. It's like, here you go, wear this outfit, boom, zip it up, and you're done. I'm assuming there's a little slit. Yes, oh, it's kind of a big slit for mobility and movement. So let me go ahead and try it on. Okay, so love the boat neck lining. Professional sleeves that are, long enough so they cover up, your arms a little bit. And honestly, I've been working on my arms a little bit. You can see the definition. I like that it covers them up because I feel like I kind of look a little buff without them. Peplum just in the front and not in the back. Love the profile of this dress. I like this little detail because once again, it covers up the belly a little bit without being like too flashy. See the back, just one solid fell piece. All right, so the skirt goes to like about knee length and then hugs perfectly with a little slit in the back. When you sit down, the peplum falls perfectly aligned and gives a nice profile on both sides because it doesn't go all the way back, so there is a little bit more of a curve to it. But yeah, you can definitely look super professional and chic in this outfit. And of course, if you want a different color, it comes in different colors as well. So if you want to purchase this dress, check out the link below. And if you like product unboxings, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.